But I'm thrilled to be the closing keynote presenter on September the 25th at Technology for Marketing in London, Olympia. The theme of my presentation is about guidance for the future. The reality is we live in this extraordinary period of time where technology is making incredible new things possible, changing consumer behaviors, changing their expectations, but it's creating a strong feeling of chaos and disruption. I am there to try and forge a path for us all to get to a better place together. It's about combining the best of data and creativity and empathy and some of the skills that this industry has built off for years, but also the kind of new emerging technologies like new data, new techniques to do with optimization, artificial intelligence. What does the Internet of Things mean? It's all going on. I'm there to be contentious and to get people talking and to help us all go on our journey ahead. Some of the themes I'll be talking about will be the abundance of data. So 5G, the Internet of Things, connected devices, these all create profound new possibilities in how we all do our jobs. We need to start looking at the changing commercial environment. How are people now buying things? Like the world is right now a surface that means that people can buy anything at any moment in time on any device. Creativity and commerce is becoming more democratic. It's now easier than ever to launch your own business. And now small agile companies can disrupt and undermine huge companies with vast assets at their service. So this is a contentious, future-focused and optimistic presentation designed to get people talking and thinking and then unleash them on the journey ahead. I think it should be a great session. I hope to see you all there. For more information, go to technologyformarketing.co.uk.